Hi, my name is Chloe and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade chicken schnitzels how my mom taught me. Right here we have flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. Me and my mom like to add some garlic. Okay, now to add the garlic to our eggs. Whisk. Now let's prepare the chicken. You will need a really good knife. Like mine, look at it, it has my nickname on it. If you're not sure how to cut it, make sure you get your parents or a guide. By pushing down onto the chicken with your hands firmly and pushing your knife through will help you not to cut your fingers. Now I'm going to pound it out with my trusty meat mallet to make sure that it's all evenly cooked. Make sure you don't pound your fingers, that'll hurt. Right here we have our flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Instead of frying it, we are going to bake it to make ours healthier. So you get it? Get your chicken, lightly pat it into the flour. Now put it into the egg, smush it around, make sure you let it drip off. Make sure you pat it in a bit so it stays up. This is how your schnitzels should look. Now place it in. I'm gonna get you. I should wash our hands now. Now, let's spray our schnitzels with a little bit of oil. I like to use oil because it crisps up more. I love my oil spray. Ready to go into the oven. Man, it's like a thermos in here. This is the lid of my roasting dish. And we're going to make chips. Because what kid doesn't like chips? So first we need to peel our potatoes, but be careful, this is sharp. Just to make it a bit more stable, I'm going to cut the bottom of this off. Now we need to lay it down and cut circles about 2 centimeters thick.
So I've taken over a little bit of the Cookie's shopping here, just because we really want the potatoes to be a little narrower, but we don't want her to cut her fingers off. So I'm going to do this bit for her, and then she can come back and do the rest.
And cut one way. This time you'll have to estimate about how big chips will be. Watch closely. Now that's all of our chips cut. Now let's roast them. We're going to spray the bottom of our roaster. Chuck the chips in. And make sure you try to get them in one single row. Now spray the top of them. Then some salt and pepper and into the oven. This is the finished product. Make sure that you leave it in for 35 minutes. Hope you enjoy. Bye!